Hello and welcome to Zesty Yoga. My name is Jessica and today we are winding down. We are doing yoga to help us sleep. So we're going to start standing because we are actually going to wind down. We're going to find our way down to the mat. So start standing at the top of your mat. Take a moment to center yourself, to arrive. So if you feel comfortable doing so, closing the eyes, or you can just soften the gaze down towards the floor, but take a moment to kind of rock back and forth from the toes to the heels as you settle in, as you feel the mat, the ground beneath you. Then settling down into all four corners of the feet, pressing down into the earth. And as you inhale, find a little bit more length up through the spine. Feel your belly gently hug you in. And exhale. Soften the shoulders. And take a moment to settle into the breath. Gather up all of the thoughts, the activities, everything that you've done today. Gather that all up into your mind. Take a deep inhale, gathering it up. And as you exhale, open your mouth and sigh it all out. Letting it go. Allowing yourself the freedom of simply being right here in this moment, in this body. Feeling the sensations of this body. Maybe the energy tingling through your arms and out your fingertips. The earth beneath your feet. Maybe you can feel the air moving around you on your skin. Noticing any sounds. And then next inhale, we're going to sweep the arms up, grow even longer. And as you exhale, bend into the knees. Sweep your belly down, sweep the arms back behind you. Inhale, sweep it all the way back up to standing. Exhale, bend into the knees, belly to the thighs, sweep the arms down and back. Inhale, sweep it up. Exhale, down and back. Inhale, reach it up. Last one. Inhale, reach it up. We're going to bring the hands onto our lower back. We're just going to find a very gentle back bend. So press the tailbone down, press the hips forward, and extend up through the heart. Deep inhale. And exhale, soften, release the hands. Little sway side to side, gently twisting it out. So we really want to think about moving the spine in all its directions, creating softness and fluidity in the spine. So that when we sleep, which we usually sleep in one position for some time, then we don't wake up stiff. So find your way back to center. Inhale, reach the arms up. And as you exhale, fold down. Again, belly to the thighs, bending into the knees. We're just going to find a ragdoll here. So you can grab onto opposite elbows and nod the head yes. Shake the head no. And then just soften into the neck, allowing the weight of the head to gently extend the neck. Feel the arms grow heavy. Feel the armpits kind of extend, almost getting a stretch into them. If you want to take a little sway side to side, you can do that. And then we'll soften back to center. We'll plant the hands, step the feet back, drop the knees, finding our tabletop. And we're just going to find a cat-cow here. So drop the belly down, lift the heart, lift the tailbone. arch the back. Inhale, drop the belly. Exhale. Finding a few more. If you want to add any more movements in here, maybe allowing the hips to kind of sway side to side, maybe creating that almost jump rope with the belly. You can do that. Just noticing, feeling the movement in the spine, softening, but keeping those breaths long and slow. And then we're going to separate the knees, finding a child's pose. Toes can come together. As you soften the heart down towards the earth, reach the fingertips forward for a moment. Find that extension. Deep inhale and then soften down into the earth. Slow, deep breaths here. Breathing into the belly. Letting it go smoothly, slowly back out through the nose. And feel the weight of your forehead on the mat. If your forehead doesn't want to come to the mat, maybe you stack your forearms and rest the forehead on that. Maybe you have a pillow or a block that you rest the forehead upon. Allowing it to really grow heavy, and then maybe allowing the head to gently rock side to side like you're saying no once more. Giving yourself a forehead massage. And then we'll slide the right arm underneath the left armpit, finding our thread the needle. Continuing to grow heavy into the chest, into the belly. Bring it back to center and we'll switch it out. So left arm slides underneath the right armpit. Growing heavy into this twist. And child's pose. Extend both arms. Inhale, roll yourself up to a tabletop. And we're going to swing the legs around in front of us. And roll ourselves down onto our backs. And from here, just gently draw the knees in. Gentle rock side to side. Feeling into that spine, into that massage. We're going to plant the feet. We're going to find a figure four. So cross the right ankle over the left thigh. Right hand can push that right knee away, opening that hip up. Maybe the left hand pulls in that left thigh and you find almost a push-pull effect here. We're not going into our deepest stretch. We're winding down from the day. So notice into that hip and find that place where you just start to feel that stretch and soften, breathe into it. Maybe you close your eyes here so you can really notice what the body is feeling, how the breath is moving. See if you're holding tension anywhere that it doesn't need to be held, like in the shoulders or in the forehead, maybe in the mouth. And go ahead and lower the feet down. We'll switch it out. Left ankle over right thigh. Left hand pushes the knee away, opening it up. Maybe the right hand draws the right thigh in towards you. And again, we're finding that stillness, that softness, that place where we can just be and breathe. Go ahead and plant the feet down. And we're drawing the knees in once more. You can find that little rock side to side. And we're going to start to rock forward and back back along the length of the spine until we find our way back up onto our seat. We're going across the legs. We're just going to find some final movement in the spine. So as you inhale, reach the arms up. And we're going to bring the right hand down, left arm over, extending up and out of that left hip. Softening that top shoulder onto your back, opening into the heart. Maybe you don't go over as deep. Maybe you stay lifted a little bit more so you can kind of open the chest here and just think about lifting up through the fingertips and pressing down through that left hip. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, over to the left. Noticing, enjoying this stretch. Noticing how it feels in the body, enjoying those sensations. So again, softening anywhere that doesn't need to hold tension in the shoulders and the hips. Slow, deep breaths. Inhale, reach it up. And as you exhale, rotate to the right. So again, not our deepest twist. We're staying lifted, we're staying lengthened, we're still breathing into the belly. Softening down through the shoulders, growing heavy through the hips. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, rotate to the left. Again, think about lengthening up. We're not putting our weight into the hand behind us. Leaning back, we're staying lifted. We're feeling that gentle rotation in the belly as we breathe in a little bit deeper. Inhale, reach the arms up. Palms touch. Exhale, slide the hands down to heart center. Go ahead and close your eyes if you're comfortable with that. And now the most important part for a good night's sleep. We're going to take this moment to cultivate a feeling of gratitude. So finding 3 things that you're grateful for. You can say them just in your mind, or even more potent, say them out loud. As you feel that expression of gratitude grow inside of you. And then take a moment to thank yourself. And of course, I want to thank you for allowing me to be a part of your journey. Sweet dreams till we meet on our mats again. Namaste.